Hi, welcome to the video training of Node.js, and in this video training we will be learning about Node.js Crypto module. The Node.js Crypto module supports cryptography. It provides cryptographic functionality that includes a set of wrappers for open SSL's hash, HMAC, Cipher, Decipher, sign and verify functions. What is hash? A hash is a fixed length string of bits that is procedurally and deterministically generated from some arbitrary block of source data. What is HMAC? HMAC stands for Hash-based Message Authentication Code. It is a process for applying a hash algorithm to both data and a secret key that results in a single final hash. Let's look at an example of encryption using hash and HMAC. Okay, first of all, create a project directory. So I'm going to create a project directory here first, and I'm going to call it Node Crypto. Set the permissions, Node Crypto. Okay, go into the Node Crypto directory. And let's create a file called cryptoexample1.js. Cryptoexample1.js. Okay, let's create a crypto constant requiring the crypto module. Then we have a secret key, and let's just add a string ABCDEFG to keep it simple. Let's define a hash constant, and to use the crypto library, create HMAC function, and I'm going to pass as the encryption algorithm that we are going to use, and it is SHA-256, and pass in the secret key, which is ABCDEFG, which we have defined here. Okay, let's call update welcome to TechWeber. Okay, and digest hex. Okay, and let's output console.log hash. Let's save this file, go to the console. Let's see if it runs or not, otherwise we will need to install the crypto module. Okay, so it is a built-in module, so we didn't need it to install the crypto module. You see we have a single hash on the screen which was generated using the SHA-256 algorithm and using the crypto module. We have encrypted the string ABCDEFG and welcome to TechWeber and generated a single hash. Now let's look at an example using Cipher. Okay, let's create another file to call it cryptoexample2.js. Okay, as in the previous example, I'm going to create a constant variable crypto, require the crypto module. Then I'm going to create a constant variable Cipher, and I'm going to use crypto.createcipher function, and in this function I'm going to use AES192 algorithm, and I'm going to pass a string, a password. Okay, then I'm going to define a variable encrypted equals cipher dot update and pass in a string hello tech Weber and use the encoding UTF-8 and hex. Okay, encrypted, going to add encrypted plus cipher dot final hex, and let's print out the encrypted string on the screen. Let's save this file and run it on the console. Okay, we have a warning saying crypto.createcipher is deprecated, but it's still useful, so it is still working. So I can copy this string and let's paste it here. Okay, because we are going to decrypt it in the next example. Decryption example using Decipher. Let's create our next example, example 3.js, and using the crypto module require crypto const decipher crypto dot create decipher, and we are going to use the same algorithm which we used for creating the cipher, a password, and that's it for the decipher. Var encrypted equals, we are going to pass the encrypted string which we have it here, so I'm going to use this. Okay, then we have var decrypted equals decipher dot update, pass the encrypted string, hex, and the UTF-8 coding type. So decrypted equals decrypted plus decipher dot final UTF-8 and console dot log decrypted. Save this file, go to console and run the crypto example 3.js, and you see we have got hello tech Weber on the output. So we have successfully created a encrypted string using the cipher and decrypted it using Decipher. These are very important when you're writing an application that needs to be encrypted while being sent to another client or another computer. It is important when you're working with payments or sensitive information, so you need to encrypt and decrypt your data before it is sent over the internet. I hope that you have understood the basic concept of cryptography and Node.js Crypto module. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Node.js.